Hi friends, do you remember the incident in New York City when migrants assaulted police officers? They were arrested, but then they were released without bail. Well, now according to a CNN source, these people left New York City. What's interesting is that NYPD were aware, it seems, were on notice that these people were leaving the town, but could not do anything about that. It is so because the current laws in New York prohibit state law enforcement agencies or local law enforcement agencies to share information with the federal immigration agencies and or enforce federal laws. But this particular incident triggered potential change in the current state of events. Some lawmakers stating that it's time to change and reverse the law when local agencies will be able to enforce federal immigration laws. If that truly to happen, what it's going to mean is that whenever you have a contact with a state law enforcement, be it a traffic violation, domestic violence dispute, or citation for some public behavior, and you do not have legal status, or let me rephrase that, you're not a US citizen, you may also find yourself in immigration trouble. Many people who do not possess US citizenship are subject to deportation even if they already have green cards, in case they're found to be convicted of certain qualifying offenses. Currently, however, because of this lack of enforcement, lack of cooperation between the agencies, a lot of people who get convicted of offenses that potentially may render them deportable or inadmissible may stay in the United States relatively safely and actually do not face immigration consequences for those convictions. But again, that may change. I recall, because I've been practicing for more than 15 years, that there was time in the United States that this was not the case. And exactly when you would be arrested in connection with pretty much any criminal offense in New York State, you also would be automatically referred to ICE for screening, whether or not you were a green card holder or you were somebody undocumented completely. So just be aware of these potential changes, and if you are eligible, please file for your citizenship.